This rusted metal is about to become something extraordinary.
Broken, burned, and discarded, but far from finished.
At extreme heat, everything begins to change.
And in the end, it reaches the sky. The massive scale of modern recycling begins here, as tons of heavy scrap are precisely guided towards the primary shredders.
Now the journey begins. Every mile brings it closer to rebirth. Precision starts even before production. Now it prepares for the most intense stage. Before rebirth, every piece must be understood.
Make sure that batch goes to line 3, and we need to clear this section by noon.
Understood. I'll reroute the flow now.
We've got a jam forming.
Increase the torque. Only the right metal moves forward. This is where everything can go wrong. Over 1,500 degrees, no room for error. Solid steel begins to surrender. Inside, chemistry takes control.
Control here defines the final strength.
At this stage, steel is pure energy.
The intense heat creates this mesmerizing, yet dangerous display. The molten steel circulates rapidly.
Even the smallest imbalance can weaken everything. Carbon levels are stabilizing at 0.03.
Acknowledged. Proceed with the manganese adjustment.
After the intense mixing phase, the molten steel begins to stabilize, reaching peak refinement. The precise robotic temperature probe begins its descent, verifying the final conditions of the molten steel. One wrong move ruins the entire batch. Control here must be absolute.
Purity at this stage defines durability.
Strength begins forming from the outside in.
Here we see the continuous casting process, where liquid steel is transformed into a solid strand as it passes through the mold and cooling systems.
This balance creates internal strength. This test decides if it survives real-world pressure. Only the strongest steel moves forward. The microscope allows us to visualize the microstructure, ensuring the highest quality control and material integrity. Now shaping begins. Length increases, structure evolves. Precision here defines safety later.
The structural steel beam emerges from the final rolling stands, its intense glow reflecting the heat required to forge this skyscraper structure.
Now the heat must be controlled. Cooling too fast can destroy internal strength. Every second is carefully calculated. Precision here protects lives later. Every cut must be exact. Clean edges mean stronger connections. The final inspection is critical. We utilize laser scanning to ensure every beam meets the precise structural integrity standards before it leaves the facility.
Ensuring structural integrity is paramount. Every beam undergoes rigorous testing before it leaves the plant, guaranteeing quality.
Tested before trusted. Every piece is fully traceable. Protection ensures long-term durability. Here in the main bay, the heavy-duty forklift precisely lifts the bundled structural steel, showcasing the seamless logistics of our operation. Now it waits for its final purpose.
All right, bring it down slowly. Watch the alignment. Coming down, clear on this side. All right, bring it down slow. Easy, easy. Watch the alignment.
Now the journey continues. From factory to the future.
All right, bring her in slowly now. Watch the barrier. Clear on this side. Okay, kill the air when you hit the mark. We're ready for the unload.
From scrap to structure. Every connection must hold under pressure.
The intense heat fuses the raw metal, creating the backbone of the city's newest tower. This is where the structure gains its strength.
Piece by piece, it rises.
The concrete floors complete the structural layers above the steel framework, transforming the skyscraper into a true building.
Strength meets design.
In the heart of the city, the completed skyline transformation is now fully operational.
This space truly reflects the transformation we envisioned.
It's remarkable how the design enhances collaboration.
The Q3 projections look excellent based on this data.
I agree, the new strategy is definitely working. The city never truly sleeps. And now, this tower stands as
From the remnants of industry, we built a future that connects us all. This is the transformation realized, where steel mountains meet the sky, a new